How to download BeamNG.drive on any PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you install Steam. Go to the Windows search icon at bottom left and search for Steam. Now click open at right window and after that make sure that you logged into your account. If not, you can easily open a web browser and type Steam in the search bar and click on the first link which will take you to the Steam's official website. Then you can easily install or download Steam and after that you can easily run Steam on your device. Now click the search icon at top right corner of your screen and then you need to type in BeamNG.drive. You can easily get the first application. You simply need to click on it. Then you will land on the section where you need to scroll down. After that, you need to simply purchase and download. To do that, you need to click on Add to Cart at bottom right corner. And then you need to click on View My Cart on this menu bar and proceed to checkout. After that, you can easily enter your payment details and accept the terms to complete your purchase. After purchasing, you can go to your Stream library and find BeamNG.drive and click on download. After that, you can easily download and install the game and then you can easily start playing on your device. And that's it. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.